Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we have completed with block 22, isn't it, children? So, let's start with block 23, which is rail transport. Okay, so please open your social content books and turn to page number 142. 142, 142. Okay, so we have learned that before the invention of the wheel, early humans used to walk for long distances, isn't it, children? Later on, they started riding on the animals, isn't it, children? Yes. So later on, they invented the wheel, and then they have started moving from one place to another on the carts, isn't it? Later, there were many inventions where we are traveling very comfortably now in different ways. That is on the landways we have, airways we have, and also we have waterways, isn't it, children, to travel from one place to another. And people travel for many different reasons, isn't it? So in this block we are going to learn about the rail transport. Okay, railways, which is one of the land transport, isn't it, children? So in this, our first topic is steam locomotive to trains to bullet trains. Okay, so steam locomotive, steam engine. See, can you see the first picture, children? Here, this is your steam engine, which was invented by James Watt. Okay, James Watt invented this steam engine, which runs with the help of steam, which we get after burning the coal. So when we burn the coal, you can see the steam coming out of it, isn't it, children? So this runs on that, with the help of that steam. Okay, and to this steam engine some coaches were attached. So can you see till here only you have steam engine, and these are the different coaches. Okay, coach means it is like a passenger car which is attached to the train. Okay, so they started adding coaches to the train where many people can travel in that train at once. Okay, and these are called as steam locomotive trains. Okay, children, and these steam locomotive trains were used for very long time. Okay, and now these steam engines which run on the with the help of steam has been changed into diesel engines. That means instead of burning the coal, they started using the diesel to run this train, and now we are using electricity to run this engines. Okay, electric engines. First it was steam engine, then it was replaced with diesel engine. Now recently we are using the electrical engines. Okay, which runs with the help of electricity current. Okay, children, and in some places we still use this steam engines, children. And now these steam engines, as they were using electricity to run the engine, you can see bullet trains in the Japan, this picture, children, which runs very fast. Okay, which moves with a super fast. Okay, which moves, it's very super speed it runs. Okay, and these you can find in Japan, children. Okay, and they are known as bullet trains. Okay, so these trains have been started from when James Watt invented the steam engine. Okay, so this is about the trains. And if you see the railways in India, so the railways in India started in 1853 when we were ruled by the British. The British started this railways in the year 1853. Okay, they laid the railway tracks on which the train can move and connect to different places of our country. Okay, children, and today also India run mostly the diesel trains and the electricity trains. Okay, only in few places you can see the steam engines. Okay, and these trains are used to move from one city to other city, to move to different parts of our country. And also we have trains such as local trains and metros, which helps us to travel within the city. If you have to travel within the city, then you can use this local trains and the metro trains to travel within the city, to move, to go for college, go for job. Yes, to go for school. People prefer to move in this local trains. Okay, in Mumbai local trains are very rush. Okay, many people use these local trains. Okay, children. So these trains run with the help of electricity, and they carry a lot of people together. Like bus also carries lot of people. More than the bus, the train carries more people. Okay, and these trains also carry goods from one place to another. Can you see the last picture, children? This is a goods train. So in that boxes, the goods will be, the things will be there, which should be carried from one place to another. Okay, those are called goods train. Okay, and in India, people prefer to travel in trains because they are cheaper, they are less expensive when compared to aeroplanes also move us from one place to another, but it is expensive. But trains are little less expensive when compared to aeroplanes. That's why people in India mostly prefer to travel in the trains. Okay, so this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them and write it in your classwork and underline in your content book page numbers 142 142 and 143 143. Okay, and while you are reading, if you find any other word which is difficult for you, you can include in your keywords. Okay, coming to your question answers, you have more question answers, children. What are bullet trains? So bullet trains are super fast trains that can travel with a very high speed. Okay, they run with the help of electricity, and where they are found in Japan, in the country Japan. Okay, coming to your next question. What are metro or local trains? Why do we use them? So these metro or local trains carry people within the city. Okay, many people who want to travel within the city, they prefer these local and metro trains. Okay, they can go for school, college, work, shop, okay, etc. Coming to your next question. What we see inside a train coach? So a coach is a car which is attached to the train, isn't it, children? There are many compartments in the each coach. Okay, when you travel in a train, you can understand what is a coach. In that you have compartments. Okay, and each compartment have berth so that the people can sit or sleep on it. Okay, so that is the coach is nothing but a, it's a car like thing which is attached to the train, and in that car, in that coach, you have different compartments. Okay, and in that each compartment has some berths so that people can sit and sleep on that berths. Okay, children. Next, last question. Why do we have such a large train connection in India? Because in India, people prefer to use trains, isn't it, children? From to move from one place to another, to travel from one place to another. And also we also have trains such as metro, local trains that carry people around the city, that means within the city. Okay, when people are traveling within the city, that means they are going to work or school or college or for shopping, isn't it? So which will be easy for them to travel within the city with the help of the local trains. Okay, and also we have goods train which carry things, isn't it, children? Yes, so be, and also the trains are cheaper than the aeroplanes. That's why we have a large train connection in it, in India, in our country. Okay, so write these answers in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book. You have 2 pages. Volume book 3, page number 35, S1, steam locomotive to bullet trains, and page number 36, S2, connecting places. Okay, so in the next class we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.